DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV, weekly Pidgin English, when we dey bring come give una. I beg country people, if this one na the first time when e be say you take dey watch our video, I use God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you come knack the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news video. Me wey wan knack una the tori this week, na be una country brother again, when my name be Stanley Okocha. This story na the one when e be say e dey come from
DJM TV.
Yes, the person who I receive for inside market this afternoon. We come inside market, make we come talk to our traders. Now, Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. And Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, now human rights organization. We dey fight against injustice. We dey fight against oppression. And it get matter wey be say e no good for ear at all when we don dey hear for a very long time. Although we don dey fight the matter for a very long time. And this matter, now the last one in our company for inside our market for Edo State. All these people, when they say they be Iyaigbe, whether they compel people to join union, say you must come pay money before you join meat union. For the fact, say, person where they sell meat, they buy direct for slaughter. And for that slaughter, we get control when they control the state chairman there. Not be a wholesome meat, not be the person they sell. Not be Jackie, not be the person they sell. And the person they sell genuine meat, if they buy it for slaughter, you can't say make you go register with 150,000. Not be Obaseki send that person. That person has thief. Somebody say thief. According to our constitution, according to our constitution, 1999 as amended, nobody get the right to compel you to join any union for market before you sell. Before you can join any union, now you go decide whether you go join union or not. We don't want anybody who want use evil unions for Obaseki name. Because all of us, including you, we suffer to get this government. That's all. And we don't already report this matter. Anybody will go trouble anybody for a Edo market. Say before you go sell meat for New Benin market, may come pay 150,000. We go personal handle that person give government. Yes. Are you hearing me? Yes, sir. Anybody will go do evil union, because that money when they collect, not be government send them. Government not send them, somebody go to collect money for people hand. They don't use union to spoil our market. The woman where they carry meat for slaughter, how much will the meat where they sell? When you say make a register with 150,000 naira, and they carry this message, they carry come for una now, make una reach out to other people. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, he not put any union for inside any market. Maybe they collect money. Now illegal union, I be that one. Somebody say illegal. Illegal. Somebody say no to oppression. No to oppression. Now serious oppression began. Yes. If you be market woman, I want to make you know, say, now you be the life wire of economy. Are you hearing me? Yes, sir. Even government know your value as a trader. If you don't know your own value, me and federal government and state government, we know your value. We're not going to like anybody to come and oppress any trader. All those who they work inside market, say there be union for meat, there be union for pepper, there be union for pumpkin leaf, there be union for egg dealer, there be union for pepper fruit, there be union for okra. Anywhere where we see again for this market, for a Edo market, where they say I be Iyaigbe and I be union. If they compel people to join union with 150,000 naira, we will catch that person we must make sure that person reach Abuja.
Yes.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Because you don't go fit spoil the good governor where we dey enjoy. As you dey see me, so no dey any political party. Any government will come. Any government will come now our government.
Yes.
Obaseki just finish election. He never reach 1 week. The information where we dey hear now say he get one particular woman where say na Iyaigbe for meat. He dey disturb people where they sell meat for new Benin market, so make they come register. Any woman where go disturb una more than come register with 150,000 naira. Make una tell us where the woman they sell. We go catch her like chicken, give government.
Okay.
Because government not send her. Last time, I saw they call me say Gadiag Union. Gadiag Union, before you say Gadi, before you bring Gadiag for Abuja, you go register with 50,000. You go buy 10 crates of nuts. But today, the Traders Welfare Union, we don't collapse that evil union. Somebody say no to evil union.
No to evil union.
Last time again, they call me say, hello? They call me again say, he gets a beer bar union. That live where to the time mama, where to the time rice. To join that union before, hey, listen to me, information is access to progress. To join that evil union for a beer bar before, to join that live union for a ferry, you go pay 1,200 for ID card, 8,000 for form, 50,000 as member, 59,200. And you can only come market 2 times a week. Somebody say no to evil union. Today, Traders Welfare Union, we don't collapse that union. So if you get any other union where you don't say the trouble owner, for inside this market, information is access to progress. If you not tell us, we go collapse the union. Because not be governor send them, not be local government chairman send them. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Hi. All this wuru money what they collect for inside our market. By the grace of God, we are going to put a stop to all of them.
Hey.
Because governor not go fit from government has come inside market. House of Assembly member not go fit come inside market. Commissioner not fit come inside market. Now we dey inside market. And now we go stop them. Are you hearing me? Yes. So Mr. Godwin Obaseki say make I use this opportunity to tell you and say thank you. When you take support him, but he say he not support anybody. Make it go they arrest people they seize their meat. Make they go join union for 150,000. Here. They telling you we're not here. But I go to interview some women here. Madam, how you see this evil union for inside market? Take interview. This evil union, where say me they come to register before you sell meat 150,000. How you see them?
You know, hygienic because they buy the meat.
So come out.
You know, good like that because they buy the meat credit.
Yes.
If they break, then they take what they pay. Now this money, then that will take the feed our children.
Okay.
That will take the take care of our house.
All right.
And that money when they say more content register, now the money too big.
How much?
150,000.
You dey hear that? Somebody say no to extortion.
No to extortion.
Who won't talk to me? Who won't talk to me? Where the woman? Okay. Now, madam, all this union for inside market, you know the consequences where the union they cause? It will make women not fit come up for house, come do business for inside market. How you see all this evil union for our market? So what do you want make government do? Make them stop her. What do you want make government do? Make them stop her. Hello? Hi. This matter where we carry come inside market with your 2 eyes open. Now we are present. Now we they carry them, we they hand over them to government. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
I want beg una. So many things they go on for inside market where government don't know. Government don't know at all. And if you just see me for the first time, go ask about of me. Now my name become lucky. Only new Benin market here between 1997. Between 1997 to date, the organization Traders Welfare Union, we don't fight about 38 illegal tickets. And we don't collapse different evil union. If you no cry, come out. Nobody gonna know what they do you. Yes, so all those where they work out, say they be Iyaigbe for meat. Anybody who wants sell meat must pay 150,000. As many that we gang up to do that meeting to cause hardship to Edo people, we will arrest them and prosecute them.
Yes, sir.
We will arrest them and prosecute them. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Today, we borrow get union. Pure water solar get union. Mineral get union. Not be say union not good though. They see better union, they see evil union. Union are to come together to solve each other problem.
Yes.
Union are to come together. The problem where the union get, where government get, they'll come together, they go solve it. But the kind of union what they see for inside the door market, once they don't force you to enter inside that evil union, they'll tell you say come pay 150,000. Today we have come to announce. So if we are coming again, we will not announce again. We will hold the people and hand over them to government. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Anybody get what you want to talk? Anybody get what? Sir? Yes.
All this Obaseki, what did they do? They go come, they go still slow, they go claim us for there, 5,000.
Okay.
Small time, they will come meet us when we give them money. We will from up, they collect for 5,000, 1,000, we go there 50,000.
Okay.
Small time, they will come back, they'll say the money no reach.
Now, all these things where they happen, me and you now they see for the first time, they report them to me. What you could just do, ask for my office. My office now, one way from where we stand here now. Are you hearing me? Now your information, I like and well. So that when you come to office now, we'll gather that information. The person will do that thing. We'll also hold out, we'll carry and give government. Are you hearing me? So, hello? If you talk, you go die. If you not talk,
You go die.
the time when I started yes. The time when I started to fight all this evil union, 23 years ago for this market. Are you hearing me? Since that time till now, I don't die.
No, I will not die.
So, I beg, all this evil union, we don't want of our market. Government cannot do it alone. You need to play your own part by bringing the information out. We will play our own part. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you and God bless you.
See me, man, no snap me a big.
Walk fast. Hello? Hello? Information is access to progress. Are you hearing me? January to December, you don't sell, but now you listen to this information. While you dey see us for inside market today, the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, the human rights organization will be, and information that they reach us. Say for inside this market, it gets some people who say they be Iyaigbe and Obaseki. Before you go sell meat from New Benin market now, you need to go pay 150,000. The government send them. Now illegal be that. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
If they force you to come pay 150,000, come tell us, you don't go pay that money. Provided say the meat where you dey sell a genuine meat, now slaughter you for the buyer. So anybody will force you say na Iyaigbe or Obaseki to come register before you submit with 150,000 naira, somebody say thief. I am not thief. Say no to oppression. Now serious armed robber, not that person be. Because we understand say some of the meat una dey sell, una dey buy a credit for slaughter. You will go buy meat, credit for slaughter. Somebody say come pay 150,000 before you sell for inside New Benin market. That person wants spoil government name. And we not go agree. Make everybody spoil Mr. Godwin Obaseki name. Not the Obaseki send them. Are you hearing me? So you will play your own part. Government will play their own part. They don't use union. They don't use union to spoil our market. inside market, we are saying no to that. Are you hearing me? So nobody get the right to force you to join any union. Nobody get the right to force you to join any union. If anybody they force you to come join union, just ask anybody, say where traders work office day. Are you hearing me? They go direct you come office. Eh? So for those that are selling meat, if they say come pay 150,000, just come to our office. The people who say me you can't pay, they are already in problem. I will put them in more problem. Because we will not allow them to spoil government's name. Are you hearing me? Hello? Our mother, they ask us whether now only me, not be only me too. So mama, not be only me. You get what you want to tell us? No, not be only me. Not be only me. Anything whether they say for inside market, when somebody say before you go sell them, you must pay money to them. Now illegal. Not be government send them. Are you hearing me? So government, they look for those people. Government will arrest them because they respect government name. The 150,000 meet people hand. Who not be government send them. Last time they call me, say the egg union. Before you go sell the egg, before you go bring the egg come from Abuja, say they get union. If you want to join the union, 10 crate of malt, 15,000 naira, cabin biscuit carton. But today we don't collapse that union. Everybody can go to Abuja to bring the egg. Get the list. Where's the time to join union? It is your right to buy and sell in our market in Nigeria. It is your right to buy and sell in our market in Edo State. So this information they come from Traders Welfare Union. Thank you and God bless you. Anybody got what you want to talk? Oh yeah. People they watch you. Even the governor of the state they see you now. Governor they look you. Now that engine, you go buy and make use and they grant something. Yes. So that make you feel they get your daily bread. The union for there say you go pay how much?
50,000.
Una they hear that? Somebody say no to Igbo union.
No to Igbo union.
Madam, because you get mind to talk to us today, you go drop your number. We'll give you shade free for any market where you like. Are you hearing me? We will give you shade free for any market where you like. For why? The only number. You don't see what they happen? That is why it's good. Make you talk. If you talk, you go die. If you not talk, you go die. The woman say, he go buy grinding machine. Make you use of the grind tomatoes. As a ratio of the market, urban market precisely, they say 50,000 before you fit grind something for that market. Don't worry, madam will give you a space inside market. Everybody get okay, that woman say get what you want.
Or your people, if you want to.
In case you want reach us, as soon as stand here and I ask this woman, he will tell you how you go to reach us. Are you hearing me? So, don't worry, they will show up. Hello? Hello? So, now they see waiting, madam, come. Come, madam. Now they see waiting with the talk about for our market. You see that market? Oba of Benin, not sell anybody to collect money before you grant something. Are you hearing me? The governor of the state, Mr. Godwin Obaseki.
DJM TV.
Now that's one. Now we take end our this week Pidgin English news. If this one are the first time when it be say you take they see our videos like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. And again, make you knock your hand for the notification bell so that you will continue to get our video stories like this. Bye bye.
DJM TV.